this, but I did expect you guys to be able to do these. And we're going to be doing more of these today. So sine of theta equals 3 over 7. Guys, what is sine? Sine represented that ratio, that comparison of what? Opposite over hypotenuse. If we have that information, is that enough information for us? Can we just now like draw a triangle? Theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Can we now find, remember, now they're asking us, they don't want sine, though. They want to also know what cosine is, what tangent is, and what all the reciprocal functions are. Cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So to do all of those, we have to find, we have to find out what the adjacent side is. So do we have enough information to find the missing adjacent side? Yes. Hypotenuse squared is equal to leg squared plus your other leg squared, which I'll just use as like x squared. Minus 9, 40 equals x squared. I wish I would have done some more simplifying radicals. We'll practice this again. But take the square root on both sides. You get the square root of 4 times 10 equals x. This becomes 2 square root of 10 equals x. We'll practice more simplifying radicals because I know you guys need some work on this. So we'll be doing some more simplifying radicals practice. But anyways, let's go and take a look at cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? That's in your notes, Josh. So you have 2 square root of 10 over 7. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, 3 over 2 radical 10. Now, I'm just going to write out all the ratios first, and then I'll simplify them at the end. Cosecant, because again, if you're looking into a test, an answer on a test, you're going to get the points, most amount of points for having the correct ratio. And then I will expect you guys to make sure you simplify them because that's what your answers will look like. Cosecant, remember guys, that's reciprocal of sine, so that's 7/3. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. That's 7 over 2 square root of 10. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is 2 square root of 10 over 3. Does anybody have any questions? And this is a great time to ask because we're going to be doing more of this today. Does anybody have any questions on how I got these ratios? So you're given a ratio. By giving a ratio, remember in class I gave you guys either a triangle or I gave you an angle, right? Well, here what they're doing is they're giving us an equation that we can use to create a triangle. So now I can find my 6 trigonometric ratios. Yes? No, we haven't simplified them yet. I want you to be simplifying your answers by eliminating the radical in the denominator. So what we're going to do is rationalize the denominator for every problem that we have a radical in the denominator. And neither of those can be simplified, so I'm just going to leave my answer like that. OK?